Okay guys, remember the last tutorial I showed you how to create a variable. You need the data type of the variable and you need the name of the variable. And then I showed you how to actually store a value in that variable, which is just you say the name of your variable and you use the assignment operator, which is just an equal sign. And then you assign that to your value. In this case I assigned the letter 4. Okay, I remember I told you that a variable, you can store a value into your variable and then you can use this variable throughout your program. I'm just going to show you a very simple way of actually using this variable in a program. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make a simple print statement. So system.out.print line, and then have your brackets here, okay? And so as you know, whatever you want the system to print out to the screen, you put inside your brackets. And if you want to print out some text like hello, you got to put it inside quotation marks and you say hello here. But just say you wanted to print out the value of a variable. Okay, if you want to print out the value of a variable, all you gotta do, you don't need quotation marks for this, okay? You just put in, all you gotta do is put the variable name in the brackets. So number goes in the brackets, and remember, no quotation marks. If we put quotation marks here, it would just print out number, but we don't want to print out number. We want to print out the value of the variable number. So we just, no quotation marks, just put in the actual variable name, and then don't forget your semicolon. Okay, so this will just print out the letter 4 to the screen because that's the variable here. If we had the letter 16, if you had the number 4, because that's the value of this variable. If we made this variable 16, you print out 16. So this will just print out whatever the value of the variable number is. Okay, so I'll show you that now. So just go to your tools. Say that's the wrong one I pressed there. Just gotta press compile Java. Give it a second. I've just opened up TextPad, so the first time you compile it, when you open it up, it usually takes a few minutes, or a few seconds. And the next time I compile now, it will be a lot shorter. Just bear with me for 1 second. Okay, so this is compiled now. I'm just going to show you now what happens when I run this program. Run the program. As you can see, the letter 4 is printed to the screen. That's because I created the variable int number and I assigned the variable number with the value 4, and then I printed out, I use a print statement to print out the value of the variable number, which is 4 in this case. Could be whatever I want to put in there. And there you go, there's a letter 4. So that concludes this tutorial. Just take that in. That's a quick intro to using variables. I'll give you some more information in the next tutorial about using this. We'll just take this for the moment. Thanks for listening.